In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text in Google Vids. This simple yet impactful editing technique can bring a whole new dimension to your documents, allowing you to visually indicate text that is no longer relevant or has been updated without fully removing it. Whether you're polishing a draft or collaborating on a project, mastering the strike-through command can significantly enhance your editing process. The first step in this learning journey begins with navigating to Google Vids. For those who might not be familiar, Google Vids is a part of the broader Google Workspace, an integrated suite of secure cloud-native collaboration and productivity apps powered by Google AI, including familiar tools like Gmail, Docs, Drive, Calendar, and more. It's designed to bring people together no matter where in the world they are. Once you've made your way to Google Vids, you'll be greeted with the option to sign in. This is a crucial step, as accessing and editing documents on Google Vids requires a Google account. Click on the Sign In button and you'll be directed to choose your Google account. If you have more than one account, make sure you select the one associated with the document you intend to work on. This seamless integration across Google services simplifies access and streamlines your workflow, ensuring that all your work remains interconnected and easily accessible. After signing in, it's time to dive into the heart of your document. This might involve navigating through your drive to find the specific document you're working on, or opening a shared link from a collaborator. Once you have your document open, locate the text you wish to strike through. This might be a word, a phrase, or even a whole paragraph. Whatever the case, click and drag your mouse across this text to highlight it. Highlighting the text signals to Google Vids exactly which part of the document you want to edit. With your text now highlighted, look towards the toolbar at the top of your document. This is where you'll find the Format option. The Format menu is a treasure trove of editing tools that allow you to change the appearance of your text in numerous ways, from font size and style to color and alignment. For our purposes, you're going to want to click on Format to unfold its menu. Within the Format menu, your next click will be on Text. This submenu dives deeper into text-specific formatting options. Here you can adjust things like bold, italic, and yes, strike through. The layout of these menus is intuitive, making it easy to navigate through your options and apply them with precision. Finally, within the text submenu, you'll spot the strike through option. Clicking on this will apply a line through the center of your selected text, indicating that it is to be considered as crossed out or deleted. The strike-through visual is a clear, universally understood marker that communicates the status of the text without removing it from the document. This keeps the history of your edits transparent and allows for easy review and revisions, which is particularly helpful in collaborative environments. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully applied a strike-through to the text in your Google Vids document. This editing feature can be especially useful in drafting processes, editorial work, or any situation where tracking changes and updates is crucial. Remember, the strike-through effect can be easily toggled on or off, offering flexibility depending on your document's evolving needs. Before we wrap up, it's worth mentioning a couple of tips to enhance your Google Vids experience further. Take the time to explore other formatting options under the Format menu. Familiarizing yourself with these tools not only improves your efficiency, but also elevates the quality of your documents. Also, consider using the suggesting mode in Google Docs for collaborative projects. This mode allows you to propose edits, including strike-throughs, which can then be accepted or rejected by other collaborators, fostering a dynamic and interactive editing process. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to the world of digital document editing, mastering these fundamental features like strike-through in Google Vids will undoubtedly contribute to your efficiency and effectiveness. Keep experimenting with Google Workspace's powerful tools, and remember, the key to mastering any new skill is practice and persistence. Happy editing!